Welcome back. Now before we get into using the editor, you want to know about some basics in creating content using WordPress. Now for continual news and updates, you're more likely to use the post interface. If you want to upload multimedia, including images, audio, and video, you'll use the media library. In order to create more permanent content, you're likely to use the Pages interface. Now, the Pages interface is very similar to the Post interface. In order to add content to either Post or Pages, you can use widgets, and those widgets will be on all of your pages site-wide. And in order to control the look of your website, you'll use the Theme interface. In order to control the functionality, you'll use the Plugins interface. You can install various third-party customizations that will change the way you can use your site. To control your settings site-wide, you'll use the Settings area. For example, if we go into the General Settings, you'll see that we have a blank site title where we can change the title and we can change our tagline. And for example, if we were to then save this information and then we were to visit our site, we'll see our site title and tagline in the header area. Now, as stated, we're going to focus on content creation, and we're going to focus on using the Post and Pages interface in order to work with Gutenberg. Now, if you're already a WordPress user, you may want to upgrade to Wordpress 5.0 or above so that you can use Gutenberg. However, before you do that, you need to back up your WordPress installation, and that is what we will do in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.